This will be the reinstallation of the caliper. One washer goes below the banjo, one washer goes above the banjo bolt to provide a good seal for brake fluid. Once that's finished, we will go ahead and reinstall the brake mounting to the caliper. And you're ready.